Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create this typing text animation with a blinking cursor in Cavalry. So in a new composition, we start by creating a text by alt-clicking on the Type tool and then typing in our text. Next, we can set the alignment of our text and adjust our font. To create the typing animation, we want to go to String Manipulators and then select Resize String. If we check on the string manipulator, we notice that there is this percentage property that we can adjust that controls how each of the characters are displayed. So we want to set the keyframe at 30 frames and set it at 0, and maybe about 100 frames, we set it to 100. Select both keyframes, right-click, and apply a magic easing. Now if you play this, you already have this typing animation. And for some purposes, maybe this is what you want. But if you want a blinking cursor to go along with this typing animation, these are the next steps that you can follow. By selecting the type again, go to Formatting Options, and then select String. What it does is it adds an extra string at the end of your type, designated by this number 0 bounded by curly braces. If we select all this string, we can change this text to the cursor type. So let's say an underscore. When you play this, you already have this cursor that animates together with the typing text. Now, if you want that cursor to blink, we need to take an extra step. Go to your text again, under Material Behaviors, select Apply Material. And in the Apply Material, we want to change the specific indices from first and last to last. What we are doing here is we're trying to apply a material behavior to these specific parts of our text. In this case, just the last character of our text. And to apply that behavior, we go to the fill, and we can control this alpha layer here by adding an oscillator deformer to it. Now with this oscillator deformer, we can change the wave type to square, set the minimum value to 0, the stagger to 0, and the frequency to 2. And with that, you have this blinking cursor that goes along with your typing animation. Now if you want to change that blinking cursor, just go to the string again, and then you change that underscore to something else like this. And you now have a different cursor type to go along with your typing animation text. And that's how you create a simple typing animation in Cavalry.